A new day, a new experiment. Now I'm capturing my screen and in the same time I'm running the camera. My laptop now, it's an ACER A515-51G with a dedicated GPU and a 2-core CPU only. It's running a render. This is a video clip I'm doing for my YouTube channel. And by the way, please comment and subscribe and like, of course, if you like these things. So I'm capturing this, I'm running the render, and what I want to try to show you is these numbers here. So here we have the Nvidia GeForce MX130 running at 61.1 degrees, and there we have the temperature for the CPUs, and I think they are pretty reasonable for this kind of load. We are like 75-78 degrees for the CPUs, for the cores, and we have 61 degrees for the GPU. You see, under my laptop I have a cooling pad. The cooling pad is not working now. It's not a really good one. It's just a cheap, very cheap piece of junk. But I'm also curious to see if it have any impact. I never used that before. So now I think it's time to put it on. It's running on the USB port with 5 volts. And there we go. We have a strange blue light there. And let's see about the temperature. So we have 76, 77. Let's see if they are going down a little bit. So the screen is running, the screen capture is running, the GPU is running, and here I said the GPU core running at 37%. Let me check the task manager. The task manager said that CPU is 100%, 2.73. Yes, and the GPU, okay, we have both Nvidia running with 36% and Intel running with 17%. Oh, this is cool. That's this GPU, Nvidia 36%, and the other one it's the Intel. Oh, maybe, oh no, but this is very clear. That's for Nvidia MX130, 62%. Oh, 62 degrees, I'm sorry. So far, I can't say that have any impact to the temperature here. I think it's even going up. But anyway, I'm pretty satisfied about these results. And we have a max here of 88 degrees and 85 degrees. And I think it's more than reasonable. It should go at 100 maximum. I really don't know. So what I'm asking you, please write in the comments if you have any idea, any kind of tests to have a more load and to have better tests about the temperature here. That should be really interesting. The point is, and you can see it over here, we have more numbers through a whole period of time, and it was like 20, 30, 40, almost 2 hours since this software is GPU temp, by the way. Okay, what is this about? Free software. I think it's okay. So we have this 2 hours graphic here, and the temperature was constantly higher than 52 degrees. Why? Because I've been doing this video stuffs, and it was ultra high definition UHD, and it's pretty hard for this little laptop to run this kind of videos, but they are running. So we still have a little bit of rendering time. Let's see about the GPUs here, CPU, memory, Wi-Fi. Okay, 76, 80 degrees, 77. Okay, so it's running around 85, 88 degrees maximum. The fan was clean a few days before. I have a new thermal paste, and maybe that's why it's running pretty smooth. So far I can't say that this little cooling pad have any impact, or if it anyway, I can feel a kind of air coming in and out, but it's almost nothing. Oh, well, you may say it's better than nothing, of course. 85 and 88, same results here, 75, 80 degrees. Okay guys, that's it for now. Hopefully this laptop will run for a couple of years more, because I really love it, and I have a very good graphic here. The display, it's high definition, and the video card, it's doing a good job. I'm not a gamer, so I don't care about that. All I needed, it's a decent video editing and stuffs related to music, you know, like studio or recording, vocal recording, and soft synthesizers, and you know, this kind of plugins for effects, and nothing fancy, but so far I can say I'm delighted with this, and it's working great. So please let me know in your comments if there is any test to stress this and to see more results and more temperature. So far 85 to 88 maximum. I think that's a pretty good temperature. Thank you. See you soon with some other projects. Bye bye.